Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Family Home Kitchen. Imagine biting into a perfectly roasted turkey leg with its golden, crispy skin and juicy, flavorful meat inside. That's what you're in for today. We're preparing a roasted turkey leg, a dish that's not just delicious but also quite simple to make. You'll need a turkey leg, a tablespoon of vegetable oil, a teaspoon of roasted spices like paprika, cumin, and black pepper. Add a teaspoon of salt and the juice of 1 lemon to the list. With these simple ingredients, we're going to create a masterpiece. The magic begins in the kitchen, where the transformation of simple ingredients into a culinary delight takes place. Picture this: the oven purring softly as it preheats to a cozy 180 degrees Celsius, the stage being set for our star, the turkey leg. Meanwhile, a small bowl is selected, ready to cradle the supporting actors. A generous spoonful of vegetable oil, a sprinkle of roasted spices like paprika, cumin, and black pepper, a dash of salt, and the fresh, zesty juice of 1 lemon. These ingredients mingle and merge, creating a symphony of flavors ready to elevate our turkey leg from the ordinary to the extraordinary. This flavorful blend is then massaged into the turkey leg, ensuring every nook and cranny is well covered. The turkey leg, now glistening with this concoction, is then carefully placed in a baking tray. It's crucial to place the tray on a high rack in the oven, ensuring even heat distribution and perfect roasting conditions. Now, the art of patience comes into play. The turkey leg is left to roast in the oven for about 1 to 1.5 hours. This is not a time for rush or haste, but a period of anticipation as the heat works its magic, transforming the turkey leg into a golden, crispy-skinned delight. Once the turkey leg has reached that coveted golden brown hue and the skin has crisped to perfection, it's time for the final act of this culinary performance. The turkey leg is gently covered with aluminum foil, creating a warm cocoon for it to rest in for about 10 to 15 minutes. This resting period allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring every bite will be juicy and flavorful. After this brief hiatus, it's time for the grand reveal. The foil is carefully peeled back, unveiling the perfectly roasted turkey leg, ready to be carved and served. And just like that, your roasted turkey leg is ready to be savored. A great dish is even better when complemented with the perfect sides. Let your taste buds explore the various side dish options that can be served with the roasted turkey leg. First, consider the grilled potato mash. Start with thinly sliced potatoes, seasoned and baked to a golden crisp. This side dish adds a delightful crunch to your meal. Next, we have the grilled vegetable salad. Roast your favorite vegetables like red peppers, eggplant, zucchini, and onions. Drizzle a light dressing of oil, vinegar, and spices to bring out their natural flavors. Spiced rice makes a flavorful companion too. Add in your favorite vegetables like peas, carrots, and chopped red peppers for an extra pop of color and taste. Roasted vegetables are always a good idea. Grill your favorites like potatoes, carrots, zucchini, and bell peppers. A light sauce of oil and spices adds a delightful twist. Mashed potatoes bring a creamy texture that complements the savory turkey leg. Cook the potatoes, mash them with butter, milk, and spices for a rich and crispy flavor. Last but not least, a refreshing green salad. Use a variety of leafy vegetables like lettuce, spinach, and green flakes. Pair it with your favorite salad dressing for a refreshing crunch. Pair your succulent roasted turkey leg with any of these sides, and you've got yourself a feast. So there you have it, a simple yet delicious roasted turkey leg recipe. We started off with a succulent turkey leg, seasoned it with a flavorful blend of roasted spices, a hint of salt, and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Then, we massaged this aromatic mixture into the turkey leg, ensuring every inch was well coated. Into the oven it went, roasting to perfection, resulting in a golden, crispy exterior and a tender, juicy interior. The beauty of this recipe lies in its simplicity, and yet, the outcome is nothing short of spectacular. The blend of spices, the slow roasting process, and the finishing touch of a resting period under a foil tent all contribute to a turkey leg that's bursting with flavor and incredibly satisfying to eat. Serve your roasted turkey leg with your favorite sides, and enjoy a mouth-watering meal that's sure to impress. Bon appetit! If you like the video, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button for all new updates in the world of cooking.